Hi and welcome to my channel. This is me, Tina. I have some stuff to show you that Globaland sent me. They asked if I would like to try some of their products, and of course I said yes because they are amazing. They have amazing products. I'll just remove that bag. So the first item I have here is this clear silicone stamp. There is 4 of them in here, and they stamp out like, let me put this one underneath here. They stamp out like this. They're kind of the size of an ATC card, I would say. Well, maybe a bit bigger. This one is, oh, that's 7 centimeters. Okay, yeah, about the size of ATC cards. So this is about 3 inches by 2 inches. So not quite big enough for an ATC, but it would go nicely on an ATC card and, you know, as the background. So I just did them in dark brown just to see what they would look like. And then later on, I'll come and do another video, and I will do some projects with that. And then another stamp that I have here is this one. It is of sunflowers, and I didn't put them back quite properly, so they're not quite, yeah. And yeah, there's 4 of them on here. Very reasonably priced. I will link this set down below, and also everything that I show you. These are the sunflowers. It says, Merry, Happy, Love, to everything. There is a season. And then it's got the large sunflower, and it's got one of these, and it's got a smaller one, and it's got the leaves, and then probably like the smaller sunflowers, and here's a bunch of sunflowers. So this is really cute. They stamp out really well. I really like this set. There is, how many pieces in here? Doesn't say. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, about 15 to 16 pieces, I would say. And it says product size 4, 3, and 6 by 3 inches. So there you kind of get an idea. And again, I'll be back to show you a project that I do with those. And the sunflower one also came with the die cuts, so you don't even have to fussy cut them. You can die cut them, which is really handy to have. And then I have, let me see my little samples here. Got them all mixed up, of course, because that's me. I'll just put them on the back here. This is a die cut that cuts little leaves. And I think they sent me 2 the same because these are exactly the same. So I just cut out 1 because they're exactly the same. And I'll just show you what they look like. This is what they look like. And then this is how they die cut. Little leaves, and you always need little leaves for, you know, and this one even has little flowers. You could add little flowers, and you could even add this to the sunflowers. These are really cute. I really like these. These are going to come in very handy in all kinds of crafts. You can add a little stem of leaves, and it just makes the whole project pop. You could even do them in different colors, turn them into flowers and things. So that is that, and I will link that die cut also down below. And then I have this, whoops, this die cut. It is a beautiful large butterfly. Gorgeous. And I'll just put that on this paper here. And it cuts out like butter. These things, they just pop out, and look at this. You can make them, you know, move these wings and just do all kinds of things. I can't wait to do my project with this. It just looks really, really cool, and you could even layer it with all kinds of other butterflies. And there's that one. Then the next one I have here is this one, and this one is one that I'm not sure exactly what you call this, but it doesn't cut them out completely. It just, you know, it makes the wings stand up, and this is really beautiful. There's three butterflies that you can remove here off of the whole die set. I just decided to leave them on, and yeah, I just think it turned out really cute, and I'm gonna, you know, spruce it up when I put this on a card, and I'll be back to do that and show you what that looks like. But I really, really like this. I've never had something like this, so I'm excited to use that. Then I have 3 different butterflies here, and I will just show you what they look like. There is this one, and it cuts out beautifully. And then this is actually a dragonfly, and it cuts out gorgeously too. I was thinking of layering it with this one somehow, like with this one, making the wings come through here. I don't know, but somehow, yeah, with that one, I thought that was really cute. And I'll just put that one over there. And then I have this one. This one cuts out in actually 3, you can do it 3 different ways. So it comes like this. You can cut it out like this, and then you can remove it from its center like that. And then this one cuts out the shadow part, and then you could add this one back on here like this, and then cut this part out in a different color. Let's say in a, you know, let's say you did it in a black like this one, you know, and it would just pop, you know. I forgot to do that. That's what I should have done, is make this one in a different color, so you have 3 layers. But I really like this. You could just do it like this, and then have this piece a different color, and I think that would look really, really cute. So there are those. And then I have 2 more here, actually. I'm going to put this here. This is the die cut, and you can remove these little fireflies right here, or dragonflies. You can remove them. I left them on, and then it cuts out like this. It doesn't cut out a frame, it just cuts out the inside. So it just cuts out the inside there, and then you can place your little fireflies or dragonflies wherever you like. You can put them, you know, anywhere, and make them in a different color or whatever. and also paper piece the sides there. That would be really cute. So I really like this one too. I hadn't realized at first that you could remove the inside there, but yeah, they make their die cuts really versatile. Globaland has amazing die cuts. I love their die cuts. Then I have another set here that I really, really like. It comes in a 3-piece. It comes in this one, and that one. So there's the deer. So this one cuts out like this. So it just, leaves the imprint is what I should say. It just cuts it out and, you know, your garbage falls out. And then I wasn't quite sure how this worked out either. So I had to first die cut it and see what it did. And then this one cuts out like that. And then we have the trees here that cut out like so. So you can make a layered card. So I think this one would go first. And then you would put maybe something like this behind it, like that. Or you could put the trees in front of it, maybe. I think maybe these go back here, but I would have to do the trees in a different color maybe. And you could make a shaker. So when I come back, and I will have this figured out how this works. But isn't that gorgeous? Wouldn't that be a beautiful Christmas card? Oh my gosh, I just love it. Or like the top of a journal, a Christmas journal, or a fall journal even. Gorgeous. And then I just wanted to show you, these were the die cuts that I made, like this butterfly out of this dragonfly, and this guy right here. So I didn't want to throw this out, and I just figured I would put something behind it, and I put some corrugated paper behind it, and I think it'll be beautiful on the side of a journal as a pocket or something. I just didn't want to throw that away. I just figured I would throw that in there and show you. So thank you so much, Globaland, for all these wonderful products to try. I will link as much as I can down below. And you guys go check it out. I'm sure you'll find something really wonderful that I didn't even think of. So, yeah, have a wonderful day, and thank you so much, Globaland. God bless you all. We'll see you soon. Bye.